Okay, here we are in the J Feather display. So for those that don't know, the J Feathers are typically thought of as a little lighter weight units. They're a little bit different build than we see in the J Flights. They've got a fiberglass exterior with an aluminum construction. So kind of one rung up the ladder from those flights that we've been doing. But check these floor plans out, they're really fun. This one's super light. This can be towed by a very small vehicle. So again, you guys know that I'm kind of a minimalist when it comes to camping. I just need a place to sleep, a place to sit, and a place to take a good shower. And this brings all of those to the table. So the gross vehicle weight rating of this particular camper is under 3,500 pounds. So that's incredibly light. So if you've got a smaller SUV or tow vehicle and you want to get out there camping, looking for something a little bit more traditional in the RV, this one gets that to the table. So this guy here, this dinette makes into the bed, makes into a really big bed for the size of the unit. We've got ample bathroom in here to take a shower, do what we need to do. And again, the size of this one, it can be towed by such a small tow vehicle. That's what really makes this a great floor plan. So you don't need a monster truck to tow this. You're gonna have everything and every other camper out there in a size that will be very easy to get to the campsite.